YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Zodiac's TR2D suction side pool cleaner. So stay tuned, we're going to show you guys how to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Zodiac's TR2D suction side pool cleaner. So for today's video, I just want to show you guys how to actually remove and reinstall the deflector wheel. So if you haven't seen our what's in the box video, the purpose of this deflector wheel is that as this cleaner is agitating around the pool, if it comes up to a set of stairs, if it comes up to any kind of obstruction in the pool that is of height, this will actually hit the cleaner, and then this actually free spins around the top of the cleaner. So as the cleaner constantly agitates, it'll actually turn the cleaner, allowing it to continue through the pool. So really simple. It has a quick disconnect already attached to the bottom of the deflector wheel. For those of you that have MX8s, MX6s, you guys are familiar with the actual the clip here that it actually has, similar to the flow regulator like the MX8 and the MX6 have. So what you're going to do is you're going to reach up towards the top, and it's basically just a clamp. So you're just going to pinch, and then you should be able to pull away the deflector wheel. So if these break or snap off, or if your deflector wheel is just broken in general, very important part of the cleaner. Don't continue operating without it. Even if you buy this special quick disconnect and you just clip that onto the front so that the hoses get to attach to it, you guys are going to take the risk that this thing gets stuck in the corner and burn a hole in your gunite or in any kind of vinyl that you guys may have. So it's really important that you guys actually keep this part working. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have these available for you. To connect them back on, all you're going to do is simply push it until you hear the clicks. So it should do 2 clicks. It'll actually grab this middle chassis assembly that comes out of the center of the cleaner. So once you do that, you should be able to kind of give it a little tug from up top and see that it doesn't just pull right off the cleaner. Again, if you install a new one of these and it just slides right back off the cleaner, it's going to be another repair that you guys are going to need to do. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to have a full playlist for you guys. So just want to show you guys how to quickly disconnect and install the deflector wheel on Zodiac's TR2D. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.